This is Albert Su, and this is PhD candidate Mr. Connor Harper, and we're gonna talk about ion-by-ion technologies. So what we're doing is we're building a charge detection mass spectrometer, which is a new way to determine the mass of large molecules, especially those of megadalton size or larger.
Since we last spoke, we've conducted some more stakeholder interviews with Dr. David Savage, who's a researcher here at the University of California, Berkeley, in molecular biology and biochemistry, and two graduate students who work in mass spectrometry, Hannah Karp and Jacob Jordan. Some key learnings that we've gotten since our last update, especially from Dr. Savage, is that adeno-associated virus work, in his words, represents a revolution in gene therapy delivery, and our technique could greatly speed up the step between people coming up with ideas with gene therapy and actually incorporating it into a vector like an adeno-associated virus and getting it into clinical trials and ultimately as a useful medicine. Our technique could greatly speed up that R&D, and so we think there's real opportunity there.
Yeah, so since the last update, we added two new experiments. The first one is to calculate sample costs for our method and compare it to three different competing techniques. This is to ensure that our sample costs are lower than the other techniques, which is one of our main selling points. Another one is to make sure that our sample analysis times are lower than three principal competing techniques. This will also be a very big unfair advantage for us because we'll be able to analyze other samples faster.
And as for pivots or changes, after discussing with Dr. Savage, we think it might be advantageous to specialize our technique and our technology for a few particular applications, such as this adeno-associated virus gene therapy work, or perhaps other similar kind of small segments of the research space, like cholesterol or other biologically relevant molecules.
Yeah, so our question for this week is how do we find companies and academic labs that are also working on AAV and begin collaborating with them because we want to specialize.
Yeah. All right. Thank you very much.